So my girlfriend had a vintage Louis Vuitton duffel bag that she just had sitting around. And I said, let's do it for the culture. So I upcycled the bag. I made my vest, a detachable mini bag, a bucket hat, and a face mask. Let me know what you think. Let's go.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like,
So my friend had that original LV carry-all duffel, and the straps were broken on it. And she was like, can you just whip it up into whatever? All I wanted is a tote and a little envelope bag. And I had enough scraps to do a third bag, but shit, I didn't catch the little video for it. So here's me making the tote. The first one that she requested, put the little stoppers in on the bottom. That was pretty fun to do. Got the little roll handles on that. Shit, hard. You know, I make all the patterns too myself, cold-blooded. Here go the envelope bag, you know, all the little straps, everything. I even do the color coordination to make sure the yellow is on that tan. You know, make sure every detail's hidden. Boom, boy, got them both. Let's go. So I got another custom LV request. This time we're pairing it with the heels, and I'm geeked and I'm ready for it. Never did the heels, but I'm not gonna say no. Let's go. Busting out the bag first, because that's most of the fabric that's gonna be needed, especially the strap. That's like 4 inches by like 40 inches. Look at that bag sitting pretty. Time for the heels. Bust it open. Acetone, baby. Get that glue off. Let's get it. New straps. Microfiber for the sweaty feet. No problem, bro. Let's go. Glue it back together. Pairing set for life.
Tongue is so biased.